Today we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly close to my heart, your liver. It's your body's primary filtration system, your metabolic powerhouse, and your detoxification champion. From processing everything you eat and drink, to fighting infections, to producing bile essential for digestion, your liver is a true unsung hero. But here's the kicker. This incredible organ is often under silent attack from our modern lifestyles. We're talking about processed foods, sugary drinks, alcohol, environmental toxins, and stress. These factors can slowly damage our liver, leading to conditions like fatty liver disease and inflammation. The good news is that your liver has an amazing capacity for regeneration. We can actively support this healing process and protect our liver through the power of food. So, if you're ready to stop the damage and start nourishing this vital organ, stick around, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a true champion in the world of natural health: garlic. Garlic is packed with powerful sulfur compounds, most notably allicin and selenium. Allicin is formed when garlic is crushed or chopped, and is responsible for many of its health benefits, including its antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. Selenium acts as a potent antioxidant, helping to protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. One of garlic's most celebrated roles in liver health is its ability to aid in detoxification. Allicin and selenium actively support these detoxification pathways, helping your liver to do its job more efficiently. They can help activate liver enzymes that are crucial for flushing out toxins. Garlic has been shown to help the liver in detoxifying heavy metals like lead and mercury. The compounds in garlic can support the liver enzymes involved in drug metabolism, potentially reducing the burden on the liver. A significant study published in the Advanced Biomedical Research Journal in 2016 found that aged garlic extract reduced fat accumulation in the liver. Incorporating fresh garlic into your diet regularly is incredibly beneficial. Aim for about 1 to 2 cloves of raw or lightly cooked garlic daily. When you use raw garlic, like in salad dressings, it's best to crush or chop it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before using. Lightly cooking garlic is also great, as overcooking can diminish some of its potency. Think about adding freshly minced or crushed garlic to your soups towards the end of cooking, tossing it into stir-fries, or mixing it into your homemade salad dressings. The key is consistency. Incorporating garlic into your daily meals is a small change that can make a big difference to your liver's health. It's a testament to how powerful natural foods can be in supporting our body's intricate systems. So, don't shy away from this pungent powerhouse, embrace it. Your liver will thank you for the dedicated support in its daily detoxification and protection duties. Next up on our list of liver-reviving foods is the vibrant and earthy beet. Beets are more than just a colorful addition to your plate. They are a powerhouse of nutrients specifically beneficial for liver health. Beets are particularly rich in antioxidants, which are crucial for combating oxidative stress. The specific antioxidants in beets, like betalains, are incredibly effective at neutralizing harmful free radicals. One of the standout compounds in beets is betaine. Betaine helps protect liver cells from damage, particularly from fat accumulation. It also supports the liver's detoxification processes and helps reduce inflammation. A study published in the journal Nutritional Research and Practice found that consumption of beetroot juice led to improvements in liver enzyme levels. Beetroot juice also helped reduce oxidative stress in the liver. So, how can you incorporate these crimson cleansers into your diet? One popular way is by juicing them. Beetroot juice, perhaps with a squeeze of lemon, can be a refreshing and potent liver tonic. Roasting beets is another fantastic option. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and gives them a tender texture. Simply toss them with a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast until tender. Shredded raw beets can add a wonderful crunch and nutritional boost to your salads. The vibrant color of beets is a direct indicator of their rich phytonutrient content. Beyond direct liver benefits, beets are also known for supporting cardiovascular health. Making beets a regular part of your diet is a delicious and effective way to show your liver some love. Whether you juice them, roast them, or enjoy them raw, you're providing your body with a powerful tool to reduce inflammation and support detoxification. Their versatility and profound health benefits make them an undeniable ally in your journey to optimal liver health. Now let's turn our attention to leafy greens like kale, arugula, spinach, and dandelion greens. These vibrant greens are like nature's broom, sweeping through your system and providing incredible support for your liver's detoxification processes. The secret weapon in many leafy greens is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a potent cleanser and has the remarkable ability to bind to certain toxins and heavy metals, helping to neutralize them and facilitate their removal from the body. Leafy greens, rich in chlorophyll, essentially pre-filter some of these harmful substances before they even reach the liver. Kale is loaded with antioxidants and sulfur compounds that support liver detoxification pathways. Spinach is rich in glutathione, a master antioxidant crucial for liver health. Arugula contains compounds that can help protect the liver from damage. Dandelion greens possess significant anti-inflammatory and liver protective properties. They are capable of increasing bile production, which is essential for digesting fats and eliminating waste products. So, how can you easily get more of these powerful greens into your daily routine? One of the simplest ways is to blend a handful into your morning smoothie. Lightly sautéing leafy greens with a bit of garlic makes for a delicious and doubly beneficial side dish. Using a variety of leafy greens as a base for your salads daily is another excellent strategy. When choosing leafy greens, if your budget and availability allow, opting for organic varieties can be beneficial. Washing all greens thoroughly before consumption is always a good practice. The consistent inclusion of leafy greens in your diet is a cornerstone of proactive liver care. They provide the tools your liver needs to cleanse, protect, and regenerate. From chlorophyll's binding action to the specific compounds in greens like dandelion that boost bile flow, these foods are truly nature's gift to our hardworking livers. Make them a colorful and essential part of every day. Your liver will thank you for it. Let's move on to something incredibly simple, yet surprisingly effective for kickstarting your liver's daily functions. Lemon water. One of the primary ways lemon water benefits the liver is by stimulating bile production. Bile helps to break down fats, absorb fat-soluble vitamins, and carry waste products and toxins out of your body. By gently encouraging bile flow, particularly first thing in the morning, lemon water can help your liver flush out accumulated waste more efficiently. Lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage by free radicals. Vitamin C and other antioxidants found in lemons support the body's production of glutathione. Glutathione is a tripeptide produced naturally in our cells, with particularly high concentrations in the liver. It plays a critical role in neutralizing toxins, drugs, and carcinogens. The ritual of drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach is a practice many people swear by. The warmth is thought to be gentler on the digestive system compared to cold water. This simple habit can also help to rehydrate you after a night's sleep. Preparing it is incredibly easy. Simply squeeze the juice of about half a lemon into a cup of warm, not boiling water. Avoid adding sweeteners, especially refined sugar. If you find the taste too tart initially, you can start with a smaller amount of lemon juice and gradually increase it. One common concern with lemon water is its potential effect on tooth enamel due to the acidity of lemon juice. To mitigate this, you can drink your lemon water through a straw, and it's also a good idea to rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking it. While lemon water isn't a magic bullet, it's a simple, inexpensive, and refreshing habit that can contribute positively to your overall hydration and antioxidant intake. It encourages you to start your day with a mindful, healthy choice. When combined with a diet rich in other liver-loving foods like garlic, beets, and leafy greens, lemon water can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. It's about creating a holistic environment where your liver can thrive. We've covered some fantastic foundational foods for liver health, but I want to arm you with a few more power players, a bonus brigade if you will. Adding these into your weekly rotation can further enhance your liver's ability to detoxify, repair, and defend itself against damage. First up in our bonus round are cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and kale. These vegetables are rich in compounds called glucosinolates, which convert into biologically active compounds like sulforaphane and indole 3-carbinol. These compounds are particularly effective at boosting phase 2 detoxification enzymes in the liver. Cruciferous vegetables are exceptional at supporting this crucial phase 2, ensuring that toxins are safely and effectively eliminated from your body. Steaming or lightly stir-frying them is a great way to retain their benefits. Next, let's talk about turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin has shown remarkable promise in reducing liver inflammation and oxidative stress. Research suggests that curcumin can help reduce liver fibrosis. To enhance curcumin absorption, always pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Our third bonus category is nuts, particularly walnuts. Walnuts are rich in arginine, glutathione, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which support normal liver cleansing actions. Studies have shown that regular, moderate consumption of nuts can be beneficial for individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. So how can you weave these bonus foods into your meals? Cruciferous vegetables are fantastic in stir-fries, steamed as a side dish, or even fermented as sauerkraut. Turmeric can be added to curries, soups, stews, golden milk lattes, or even sprinkled on roasted vegetables. Nuts are great for snacking or added to salads or oatmeal. By strategically incorporating these bonus foods, you're providing your liver with an even broader spectrum of protective and regenerative nutrients. Remember, variety is crucial. Each of these foods offers unique compounds and mechanisms of action that contribute to overall liver wellness. So there you have it, a fantastic lineup of foods that can truly help revive, protect, and regenerate your liver. It's incredible to think about how much work this single organ does for us. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your liver is constantly filtering, detoxifying, metabolizing, and storing nutrients. It's time we start showing it the profound respect and care it deserves. Nourishing your liver doesn't have to be complicated. Simple, whole foods like garlic, beets, leafy greens, lemon water, cruciferous vegetables, turmeric, and nuts can make a significant difference. When you choose to incorporate these liver-loving foods into your diet, you're actively telling your body to heal and protect itself. Treat your liver like royalty because in many ways, it governs the health of your entire kingdom. Start small, be consistent, and listen to your body. Thank you so much for watching.